Hello, guys. Hope you are looking and watching for now. So I will not begin until I see some people. So sorry, guys. It was a very long time that I didn't see you guys, so I missed you. And for this session, we try to first to come back to the live streaming that I miss a lot. So there is one watching. I don't know who is he. Please say hi. At least I see you. Who are you? And we will begin our live again. Okay, in the future. And I'm trying to make a Facebook group also, and I will do a live there also. Okay. Hey, Samuel Tiempo. Salut, comment vas-tu? Tu es d'où? So here we have two guys. Pump and Dump channel. Hey man, how are you? I missed you all, guys. And I see 5 are watching. It's very good for me. Even if it is 1, I will stay and I will be. It's just like a hangout. It means it's not really teaching anything, but it's just sharing information with you guys. And it's very good to see you guys again. Très bien, très bien. Merci beaucoup. So. As you can see, this is just a hangout. I sometimes give information and I answer your questions. A lot of we have 2 guys have sent me some questions. I will be dealing with them later. Okay, so that's why I ask you for questions. If after a while you have any question that it is in your mind, just try to write it here, and I will be happy to answer your questions. But I will begin with the guys who sent me first. Okay. Hi Roku, how are you? So I don't want to begin very quick until I see some guys. At least when we begin, we will not try again and repeat what I have said. Okay, so as you might see, the stock market has been, for the beginning of the year, like 5 months, it was doing excellent. Oh, Samuel Tiempo, you are from Virginia, USA. Thank you very much. What does it mean when analysts downgrade the stock and the next day another analyst upgrade it? Okay. Roku, as I told you before, you should just wait for your questions. I will answer questions that are before you. It means some people who have commented, I begin with them first, and then I will go after with you guys. So be patient, as I always answer all the questions before I end the session, and hope this session will be very there is a lot of people asking question, and then I can answer all your questions. There is no problem with that. Now this you ask this question, upgrade and downgrade. Okay, I can begin with it. It's not a big deal. It means understand that analysts in some big firms, okay, what they do they are paid to give their opinion. Either some people they tell them what do they say, okay? They have some reasons, okay? So those analysts, they are not free to tell what they want, okay? So they are working, it's a job. Okay? So Ruku, you said it's 3 a.m. 9, 3. Where are you? Where are you, Ruku? Are you in Europe? It's like 6 hours. You are in Europe or in Africa. Okay. So Ruku, don't try too much because I am going to answer your questions. Okay? I'm going to answer your questions. So, what did I say? I said that analysts are people who are having a job. Now, what is their job? It is to give their opinion. But their opinion, it is based on what the firm has asked them to say. Okay? So there are some interests here, and that's why you see big guys in CNBC or CNN or Bloomberg. They are very famous, and they when they give their opinion, a lot of millions are watching them. So they do what they ask. Okay? So this is very, very dangerous because they change things. Now, if they downgrade the stock, it means they say that this company is not good, although it is good. I will give you an example. You are Ruku, you are from Morocco? Okay, that's good. Jocelyn Coty, I am Jocelyn. Thank you, Jocelyn, for you are from Montreal? Yes. Do you speak French or you speak English? It seems to me that you are English because you write in English. I know French. If you want to write in French, that's good also. Okay. So, to downgrade a stock, what does it mean? It means that these analysts, they say, okay, I will give you a concrete example. Okay? In order to understand what I'm saying. So, Ruku, please stop writing. Ruku, stop writing until I answer the question. Don't ask me to repeat what I have said. I will not repeat. So I see you are writing. So you are writing. So stop writing and just listen to me and what I'm explaining. I give you a concrete example. What does it mean? Apple, for example, in the beginning of the year, some analysts they downgrade Apple at the beginning of the move. When I told you in 26 December 2018 that there showed me a big move, so I was following it and I was right. And that most of the people who have been trading in the 5 months beginning of the year 2019, most of the people, most of the investors, they have made money because there is a big move. Now, what did happen? When some analysts that are very famous, they say Apple is not good, it's not doing good. So what? Some people they go and they short it. They short it next day. We have a gap down. I will show you a proof. And if you go to that day, you will find that it is not earnings and it is a downgrade. Okay? So let me just show you an example. Ruku, please focus on what I say because I will not change. I will not repeat what I said. You can watch it tomorrow if you want, but I will not go back to my answers. Okay, so let's see. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see this one. Not Firefox. Image Firefox. Okay. I'm trying to go to okay, so look for Apple. Okay, I'm just giving you an example of Apple. Okay. Now look at Apple. I will show you what I mean. Okay. Now please go to this day here. This is 26 December here. Where is there is a big move. The first day of the trend in the whole market is this 26 December. If you go to my YouTube channel, after 26 December, I was talking here about the big move, and each week when we did the live, I was saying it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good, until here when it collapsed, I say no, the trend has collapsed. So try to check this day here on the 2nd of January, Wednesday. What did happen? Some analysts, they downgrade Apple. So there is a gap down. So it was 157. It goes to 142. But after a few days, for me, I bought. I don't care what these guys are saying, but I bought here and I follow the trend as here. Okay? And I told guys, those guys who have been following me, I mentioned that in my subscription. Okay? So this is an example of Apple. They downgrade it, but yes, they have a news effect. So the stock has been going down from 157. It goes down to 142. Okay? So 8 and 7 is $15. It's too much. But the people, they don't believe, because all the market is going up. It means mutual fund are buying. That's why they crush any short seller. Okay? So let's go back. Sorry guys, when things doesn't go that much very quicker. I don't know about this software, what it's doing. Okay. So just wait for a minute until the picture comes back. Although the live streaming is excellent, I don't know why the live is with the white thing. I don't know what's going on. That's why I always have a problem with this. Okay. Oh, okay. So we did get rid of this thing. Okay. So I don't know how to get to the picture. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah, yes, I'm back. Sorry guys for all this trouble. Now, Roku, as you can see, I have explained to you why when some analysts they downgrade, it means they give their opinion against the company. They say that, for example, Apple is not doing good and we should sell it. This is what they say. Now, the people who said you should sell, they just play with the people because other people they want to buy it cheap. Okay? So they ask you to sell. When you sell, okay, they will buy cheaper, $15 cheaper. And then you see Apple is going up. So for me, I understand this game. This game is very known. Okay? News is a big game. If you don't understand the news, you will miss a lot. Okay? Roku, he said, but I think Warren Buffett is adding to his position Apple. Okay, I am not going to continue answering your questions and the thing. So what I will do is, if I want to begin answering questions, I will begin with the guys that have commented on the video. Okay, so we will see them later. Robert, hello teacher, greeting from Europe. Every analyst downgrade the stock Tesla, but this stock Tesla have given me more money than Apple. Okay. As I told you, Robert, I just explained to Roku that downgrading, it means some analysts they say Apple or Tesla is bad. Just this. It's just news. But the market doesn't follow this analysis. News comes with new information. So there are some people who reacted. They short the stock after hearing the news, so the stock fell down. But other people, they get it cheaper, $15, and they see the market is in a move. That's why they buy. And for me, I'm following the mutual funds. I'm not following news. That's why my strategies are not related, are not based on news. I have explained this. I have explained this too much. Roku, I have answered your question, and I will go to other questions. Free Trader, hi teacher. Thank you very much, Free Trader, and all the people who are here. Okay. So let's go and explain if there is anything. Okay, let me go and check. Okay, and check the questions. Okay, I can give you this as the question. Okay. We have Firefox, but it doesn't show me. It doesn't show me this. Now let's put this here in the middle. Okay. Let's go to this one. Okay, there is a certain problem with this, but okay. So you can check. I am sorry for this. It doesn't show me good. I don't know how to fix it right now. So we will be dealing with this today, and next time we will see. Okay. So I can see the notepad also. Okay. Notepad. I can check the notepad also. And see how does it work. Okay. Okay. So let's just read the comments. You can find them on this on the video that I have made. Okay. Now, so I will read to you the question. Thank you, teacher. Really appreciate your help and guidance with the stock market. And the first question, should we increase our position in the market? Current position, he gave me stocks, but for me, listen, understand that I will not give you any recommendation about stocks. If you are with me in the subscription, you can ask me and I will explain the strategy according to my strategy, what you should do. But here, I'm not going to give you any recommendation. So understand that. So in your comments, don't send me stocks and you say, can we buy or sell? I don't give you a recommendation. I am not an analyst. I am not an analyst, and my strategy is based on what I see, the chart. I am not looking at the future. I can't. So I don't predict. If you are with me many months or many years, you understand my strategy. I am not predicting the market. I deal with the market and I see the trend, but I'm not giving you recommendations. So don't ask me, what do you think about this stock? I can answer, see if it's good or bad, but for me, I'm not going to let you know. For example, I say buy this or sell this. Now, but I can answer this question: should we increase our position in the market? For me, most of the time, I increase at the beginning of the trend. Okay? At the beginning. Not at the end. Not after 6 months or 7 months, I will be adding. So I will add when I see that the market is strong and the stocks, and this stock is a leader. That's why I ask at the beginning. For example, you buy 500 shares. You see the stock after a few days going so good. You wait until the time is good, and this strategy, you know it all. For those who have been subscribed to my subscription, they know how I feel, how I add to the position, and when I add. Okay, so and then I add at the beginning, the first week, the second week, yes. But I will not add when it is 6 months, 7 months, and I add, because maybe it's the end. So I am not adding at that time. Okay. So the first question is answered. Second question. Should we add put options to protect our position? Okay. Please, guys, I will tell you something about put options and going long in a stock. This is, for me, this is the biggest mistake you do. Okay? Biggest mistake. What is it, this biggest mistake? It means you will be on the opposite side. How can you be in the opposite side? How can you go long and you think that the stock will be going up? And then you buy put options, and you think that the stock is going down. How is that? Try not to listen to the mutual funds. The mutual funds, they do this. Okay? They do this for a reason, and even if they lose these options or the stock, they don't care. It's not their money. This is called hedging. And we are not hedging in our stocks. We trade them. When there is a trend, we buy, we follow the stock, and when the trend finishes, we sell. We don't go opposite direction. Can I tell you something? Let's say you live, like me, for example, in North Carolina. Can you take the plane and you go to New York and at the same time go to Florida? Can you do that? No. Why? Because you are having two different positions. One of them will be a mistake, so you lose money in one. Even if you make money in the other, you are not going to make that much money. You are making little money. And sometimes you don't make money because if the market is in trouble, the stock goes up very good. A few days. So your put options will lose a lot of money. You put 1,000, 2,000 as puts, or 5,000 or 10,000, and you will see that they go down to, you put 5,000, then you find your money is only 500 after a few days. Although you make money from your stock, okay? You make money from your stock, but the problem is that you lose money from options, and vice versa. It means if you make some money, little money from options, you will lose big money from your stock. So please, for me, I am opposite this strategy. My strategy is the trend is your friend. If you are good with the trend, you make money. If you are not, you play the smart guy, buying the stocks and then hedging and putting options. You will if you want to do it, it needs a lot of calculations in how much you lose. If one position is how much one position is, it should be bad, because if the stock goes up, your put will lose a lot of money. And understand that options calculations is very, very difficult. It's not like stocks. I will tell you why. Stocks, if the stock goes $10 up and you have bought $100 shares, how much you make? You make $1,000. $1,000, because each dollar it goes up, you will make $100 because each share has $10. So you understand that. Okay? So it's very easy. Now, if you about options, if the stock goes up $10, how much you lose in options? Sometimes it becomes 0, or it becomes 5 cents or 50 cents. Okay? So the calculation of options is very, very dangerous. You should never rely on options to make certain trades, because it is leveraged. And anything that it is leveraged, you should be advanced in options to be a trader in options. You should be advanced student, not just a person who trades stocks and then you go to options and you begin to play with them. You will lose at the end. And stop looking at those guys. They say, oh, with $100 I can make $100,000 in options or in stocks in 1 month. Stop listening to these guys, because they will ruin you and they don't know. Okay? If it is true what they say, okay, I will send them $10,000 or $20,000, $50,000 and ask them to make me $1 million, and they take 50% of the money. Ask them. They will not, because this is just something that people do in order to attract people who believe in dreams. It's not real. The real thing is you see it. Okay? Now, let's go to the third question of this guy who is a student. Is December a bullish or bearish month for the financial markets? Now, listen, guys. Now, this question, what does it mean, this question? Is December a bullish or bearish? It means, is the stock market will go up in December or it will go down? Who knows? Who knows? Can you tell me someone who knows for sure the future? It doesn't exist in the market that some people see the future. If I can see one day, I'm telling you, if I can see one day, I will be a millionaire in 1 hour. It means in a day. I just buy naked options, hundreds of thousands of naked options, and I know that the market, that this stock is going from $5 to $10. I will be a millionaire if it is that case. So please, stop asking about the future. Even if there is a trend, you will never know if it continues strong or it will collapse. But there are ways to know if the trend, when it is going up, you know if it is a strong or yes. Each week you check, and I have made this. If you go to my live videos, beginning in January, February, March, April, May, you will see that I am always positive of the market. I say the market is strong. The market is strong. The market is strong. Why? Because I see it. I have some information from the chart telling me that the market is strong. But in May, or I think the end of April, when the market collapsed, I told you guys the trend has finished because I see it. At the beginning of the trend, when it's going down, I told you, guys who are following me in the 5 months of 2019, I told you that the market is good. And a lot of people, they say that 2019 will be bad. If you go to analysis, what they say, just sell because it's bad. How can these people know the future? Okay? Now, question 4. Now gold and silver are inexpensive. Should we take a position in gold and silver? Although, also it's the same thing. You are speculating and you are predicting without information. Yes, if the market is going bad, silver and gold is always going up. This is something that happened in the market. I don't know why, but you can see it. Okay? So this week's 1 month or two, gold and silver is going down, but the market is going up. So you see that? So don't predict, just trade as I do. Now, thank you, Darren, for your question, and thank you very much for asking all these questions. Hope I have answered your questions. Now we go to the second question of Tony. Okay, so the question is, or the sentence: I have been trading for 11 months now. I did pretty okay for myself, and I noticed I got lucky from the penny stocks I have picked, but now I want to move on to safer stocks. My question would be, it means trading penny stocks was good. Now we will move to stocks for safer trading. Okay? How can I learn about a company's earning news in terms of how the company is doing so I can invest in its long term while it's paying me dividend, so I can reinvest the dividend and focus on long-term gains while working my regular job by contribute to it monthly? Now, this question is a very, very interesting question. And I have answered it in my in training level 16, how to invest in dividend stocks. So, Tony, if you have time, since I give what you call a big discount, if you are interested, you can send me an email. I will give you a big discount as usual, and you can take this training, you study it, and then you ask your questions. Because this idea of investing, you are right when you say I contribute it monthly and I will have dividend. This is right, but I will tell you something that you don't know about dividend, and hope you can ask me questions later by email, because we are not going to do question and answer here. So Tony, if you are here, send me an email as usual. My email is in any video. Just go to the description, send me an email, and I will explain more for you. Okay? So some people, they have a false idea about dividend. Okay? They have a good idea about making dividend. Yes, it is a good idea. And this is the ideal thing about investing. Because investing, they are not interested a lot in the stock to go up, to double or triple. If it double or triple, it is excellent. And then you can have more with dividend and the price appreciation. It means, I will give you an example. To understand. Let's say a stock is $100. It goes to $200 in 1 year or two. So what does it mean here? Here, you double your money in 1 year or two or whatever. You double your money. You put $10,000, you invest in the stock, you get $20,000. You put $50,000, you get $100,000. This you cannot get with 401k. You can't. Okay? Now, you can't get it with stocks, because stocks move faster than mutual funds. Okay? Now, but understand that dividend is related to the stock yearly yield. I will give you an example. Let's say you have 100,000 invested in a stock or in many stocks. Okay? This $100,000, it gives you 5% each year. So, what are you going to make in the year as an investment? You are going to make $5,000 a year. Is this what you are looking for? This is my simple question. Anyone who tells you that dividend with small money can make you rich, or like Warren Buffett, no, it will not. Because see the numbers. How much you have, how much your income, how much your portfolio will be in 10 years, 20 years, or retirement. Yes, let's say you have a good job. You are 25 years old. You have a very good job. You make 60,000, 800,000, 100,000 a year, 150,000. You have a good job. So it's easy for you to make a portfolio very, very quick. In many years, you can make an excellent portfolio, and you want to reach 1 million, for example, in 10 years or more. Your goal is to make 1 million. It means to have a portfolio of 1 million. Don't say 1 million is a lot, because someone who is making 150,000 a year, he can make it. He can make it because he will save a lot of money each year. And these stocks go up, so it can double, triple in 10 years. So I'm not speaking just about you have 1 million like this and you put it in the stock market. No, I'm not speaking about that. I'm speaking about long term. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Warren Buffett said, if you want to invest, it should be for 20 years, at least 20 years in a stock. It's not a game. It's not you buy this year, you sell next year. This is not investing. Now, let's say if you have 1 million after 10 years, 20 years. How much you will make if they give you, if the dividend yield give you 5%? You will make 50,000. Ask yourself, is 50,000 what you are looking for as a retirement? Each year, you take all the dividend, 50,000. You don't work. Even you have no social security, you have nothing. A social security income. Let's say you have some social security income, but you want to take those dividends, which are $50,000. $50,000. What does it mean? It means 5% yearly yield from your stocks. Now, you ask me, for example, I want more. So your goal should be $2 million, $3 million, $4 million. But if you are having a small job, yes, it is good to make a portfolio. Yes, it is good, but you can have some money in your thing, but understand your limits. Your money is very, very small. Your yield will be so small. Even after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, it will be small because I showed you the numbers. The numbers are very easy. So you guys, Tony, I'm speaking to Tony because she is interested. And any one of you guys, if you want to invest, you can check my my training level 16. Send me an email. I will give you a discount for this. It will show you because there are a lot of kind of dividend, qualified, not qualified. And there are a lot of things you should know before you go and invest. Sometimes you invest and you find you are mistaken in the kinds of stocks. Stocks are not the same. So take my training about that. At least you clarify your vision. And then you ask me questions if you have, and then begin. Make your account with knowledge. When you make your account with knowledge, you know how much to contribute each month or each year. It doesn't mean that you should contribute each month. You can contribute each year. For example, you have all your money and you put it once in a year, or you can put, if it is a lot, let's say you can put $200, $500 a month, or $1,000 if you are having a good job. There are some people here or in America, they are making a lot of money, but instead of investing very quick, they begin to buy houses, to buy nice cars, to buy things, and then they don't invest that much. So they will be in their retirement, they become poor. It means they rely only on their social security income, which is not that good. So please, anyone who is interested to go deep into investing, please send me an email and I will discuss with you case by case, because you should tell me your situation and I will help you out for free. So I will help you for free. I'm not asking you money to give you lessons or something. But if you can take the training of training level 16, it's a good thing because you will know a lot of knowledge. So this is the two questions that you asked. Okay, and let me see here. Okay. So let's go. let's go to back. Okay, let's go back. Sorry, guys. I have explained a lot about investing. So, you guys, if you are interested to know more, to invest, if you are interested in investing, as I told you before, you can just go and check my training, which is called training level 16, how to invest in dividend stocks. Why? Because there are different kinds of stocks. Now you think that the stocks that you see are all the same. No, they are not. In terms of dividend, no, they are not. They are not the same. And there are complications. If you don't understand, you will have a problem because you invested in 20 years and then you find that there is a mistake in your dividend thing. It has some tax implications also. Okay? So you should understand the knowledge before you invest. Okay, so right now, guys, I will begin from the beginning and I will see your questions and answer them one by them. Okay, thank you very much. I know, guys, that you have a lot of questions and we have not spoken before too much. During these 2 months or 3 months, I was so busy and I have to restructure my business, restructure my YouTube channel. That's why I become so lazy in YouTube, okay? Now, let's begin with the beginning. First, you are now 17 guys watching me. So please ask your questions now. I have some questions. I begin with the first question asked and then I go down, okay? So be patient, as I don't want to make one mad at me because I leave his question, okay? So let's begin. Samuel Chimpo, salut, thank you very much. Samuel Chimpo, he said from Virginia, thank you all guys from Virginia and USA and Canada. Ruku, I have answered your questions. You said to me you look tired a bit. Okay, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to jump right now and to show you that I am in a good mood? No, I am in a good mood. That's why I am here. Now, maybe my hair, it's big. Maybe my beard, you see, it's become more big. That's why. And you see the lightning that I have. Maybe show me some pale thing or yellow. This is about. I am not an expert in doing videos. I'm not like these guys who are gurus in making videos. And I don't have. To tell you the truth, I don't have a big studio with lightning, with guys who are showing me as a star in TV, or I'm making movies. I'm just having a small camera and then I speak to you. Guys, I'm just here with you to hang out. So don't complicate things. Okay. Now, Ruku, you are from Morocco and you told me that there are 3,500 companies in Morocco. So you can, if you follow my strategies, you can be a swing trader in your stock market, and that's good. Okay. Now, Ruku said, "Don't tell that big money. Don't pay attention to that." You know, when you say big money, you speak about mutual funds. Mutual funds sometimes they pay guys to say that the stock. To downgrade the stock, okay? When they downgrade it like Apple, it goes $15 down, the next day they buy. So mutual funds are playing tricks, but understand, in the market, anyone is free to tell what they tell. But the problem is that people are following some people in the market and they think they know everything, even the future they know it. Storytellers, they are like witches. And stop thinking that people will know the future. Tomorrow, it means Monday, the market can collapse. and you see it is downtrend and everything collapse. So stop thinking that some people they know. At the beginning of the year, all analysts, if you go, I say the market is going up because I see it's so strong. Each week I say it's strong for 5 months. Go to my videos and check if I am telling the truth. Most of the people say that 2019 will be the collapse of the market. It's the collapse. Where is the collapse? There is no collapse of the market. Because people, they just say something. If it happens, they go on YouTube, they say, oh, did I tell you that the market will fall this year? I know. I have some knowledge that no one has. And I know the future. I can tell you your future, how will be, how much money you make, how long do you live. I can tell you the truth. This is stupid. If you are still thinking that some people know, they are like witches or whatever you call them, they don't exist in real world. What exists is speculation. If you know something, like for me, I see the market chart, I see the trends, but I can't guarantee you that the market will stay 6 months. But I guarantee you that the trend is good, and I act on that. If something change, I exit. So I exit according to what the market is doing. I see the data or the data. I see the information. The more information I have about the market, the more I trade good, the more I make money. So understand that this is how I trade. I don't predict. I don't speculate. Speculate, it means you have some data and you rely on them. I don't. Most of the time, I don't go to what the people say about companies. I don't see what they say. I have no idea. I don't watch CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg. If I tell you I don't watch, you will be amazed that I don't watch. I don't watch the news. I don't care. What I care about is the chart. If you tell me that people say bad about Apple and I say good because of the chart, I buy Apple because of my opinion. I don't rely on other people's opinion. Even if he is the guru in the market, I don't follow people. I follow my opinion and my strategies, and I have been successful since 2010. I am making my money from the market because of that. I'm not having a secret analyst and I follow him and they say give me tricks and tips to make money in the market. This is stupid. Okay. Hello, Jocelyn. Jocelyn told me she's from Montreal. Samuel Chiempo said, please talk about the buy line. Excuse me? Samuel Chiempo, listen to me. I am not here to train you in my strategies for free. Understand that. I have subscription about $19.99 a month. Why you don't take that? It's the whole month. You take that. I will show you how I trade. I will give you examples and I explain. You can ask me a question and I make a video for you. What do you expect more from me? So, but you ask me to hear in YouTube that I explain things for free. This will never happen. Because you are asking me about my business, about my teaching. I don't teach for free. Yes, I teach for free the basics of my strategy, but I am not going to teach you details about my strategy. And what you ask is a detail. Okay? So please, you can just go, try to see the basic subscription. It's $19.99. Just try it for 1 month. If it is good for you, you can make money. You follow me. If not, at least you have known my strategy. Or you can just buy Training Level 2 by ebook. It's cheap. And that's it. You can ask me a question by email. I will answer you. Because anyone from you guys who have bought from me an ebook and a training by video. If you have any question about the ebook or about the training, I will answer for free, because you have bought, because you support my business. When you support my business, I will give you what you pay for. And I will follow you many years. No one is doing this in the market. No one, you buy something from him and he will follow you many years, and you ask him questions about strategies and he will answer you. No one is doing that except for me. But you should support the business. You support me because I'm teaching. I'm not teaching for free. Okay? When you go to work, you are supposed to get money. You are not, it's not a volunteer work. This is not a charity work. I don't work in a church. I can do charity with poor people. I give them money or something. This because they are poor, and this is a charity. But in business, you are speaking about business. You are speaking about money. If you don't have $19, $20, if you have no $20, how can you come to the stock market and buy and sell stocks? So be real people. Okay, so I don't want to go further in this discussion. Okay, Jocelyne Coté, she said that she knows French and English. Bonsoir, Jocelyne, comment allez-vous? Okay, now, please, one of the YouTube ID, I pooped in the cereal. Please, why you choose this weird name for your YouTube channel or your name? Please, why you poop for in the cereal? Are you like a mouse or something like that? Please. Okay, I will answer your questions. What's your thoughts on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is like the stock market. It goes up in a trend, up, it can go down. So it's the same. So follow the trends. If you study my strategies, you can apply them on Bitcoin, you can apply them on futures, you can apply them on options, you can apply them on anything that it is moving up and down. Anything. Understand? So Bitcoin, you should see the thing. And I don't know if I can use. I don't know if this Chrome. The Chrome is doing good. So I will put now the chart and see. Let's see. I know Coinbase. I have used before. Coinbase.com is the thing that gives you the thing. Now, listen. As you are looking to the thing, I will go to the Bitcoin and I will show you something. Okay? What's this? It asks me to enter, to create. No, man, I don't want to enter. Let me just see the chart. Oh, before it was so good. I don't know why. So it doesn't let me. Let me see the chart. No chart here. Okay, I will give you just something to know. Bitcoin now is 7,400. Before, many months ago, it was 3,500. I make a video. If you go to my chart, to my YouTube channel, you will find that Bitcoin was 3,000 something. I make a video about that. I think in April or May but it goes to, I think, to 13,000. 13,000, and now it goes down. So these are trends, up and down. So if you follow my strategies, you can follow Bitcoin and you understand. And if you follow my strategies about stocks, you can follow Bitcoin and you can make money from it if you know the thing. Okay. Coinbase wallet is can earn commerce. Okay, so it asked me to sign in order to see. Before it was not. Let me put something. Bitcoin chart, and I will see if there is a chart online, and they can show you guys. Data. Okay. Where's that? It says the chart. Okay, as you can see, this is okay. Let's go to this website. Now listen, look at this. We will see 1 year. Now, here it's 11,000. Oh, it goes to 11, not 13,000. It goes to 11,800. Here it goes to $12,647. But it was the low I make is this. If you go to this date, which is December 15, or after, like in January, February, I had made a video. Put Bitcoin in my channel and search. You will find that I have spoken about this price, $3,179.60. Now I said that there is a trend before in all this, and the trend has been going up, and now it has been going down and down and down until now. So if you study my strategies, you will understand how to follow the trend. Okay? So thank you very much for your question. Let's go back. Let's go to your questions. Hopeful. I don't want to repeat your the serial guy. I don't want to repeat your ID. YouTube ID is bad. So try to change it, please. Okay. Roku said, but I think Warren Buffett is adding to his position in Apple. Listen, I don't follow Warren Buffett. I have made videos about him, about what he has, but his portfolio, it can be changing. So I didn't follow up. Maybe in the future I will make a video and I will check what is the new. Did he sell something from his portfolio and buy another thing, or did he add? You should be following Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, you should follow him each year to see what does he do. But for me, I don't follow Warren Buffett. He is a billionaire and I'm not. So what's good for him, it's not good for me. Okay? Now, Roku, I think I answered your question. Robert said, hello teacher, greeting from Europe. Every analyst downgrade the stock Tesla, but this stock Tesla have given me more money than Apple. Now, Robert, thank you, Robert, for this question. When the analysts downgrade, we have spoken about this at the beginning of the live. Please check it. So it is just they say that the stock, analysts say the stock, the company is not good because of competition, because it doesn't make money, because it has no future. Okay, this is a news. Okay, so but you should follow the trend. Don't follow what the people say because you will be misled. It happened to Apple, as I give you an explanation. What did I say about Apple? I say Apple, they have a downgrade in the 2nd of January 2019. They say a downgrade. Analysts say that Apple is not good. So Apple collapsed $15 down. And then the trend has begun. I bought at the beginning because I don't care about the news. If I cared about the news, I would be scared to buy. So there is no thing as a sure trade. Understand me. If you understand just this thing, you will understand my whole strategy. Understand that for me, I don't know the future. I don't predict anything. I have some criteria that I use when I buy. When this criteria is met in a stock, I buy it. Whatever is the stock, whatever people I say, I don't care. If I am right and the trend is good, I will be making money. Now, what if I am wrong? The stock is going down. I will sell with a small loss. This is the way people trade for the 16th century, when we have two stocks in Amsterdam, in Europe, in the 16th century, when they begin the stock market with two stocks. This is the same. Nothing has changed. Now the tools has changed. The chart, the indicators, the other thing, they have changed, and always they change. But the real trading has not changed. You buy and you wait. If you are correct, you will make money. If you are not correct, you lose a little money and you exit. Don't stay, because you stay, you lose too much money. Okay? So, thank you very much for Robert. Now let's go to Ruku. He continued to ask other questions. He said, Ruku said, you have to know that I was watching the market during September, October, November, and all the upgrade in hot tech was responded by ripping higher in the price. Thank you for your answer. Now listen, if you are watching the market here and you are from Morocco, are you trading here or investing in America, or are you, because what you said you are speaking about tech stocks, technology stocks. Is it in USA or is it in Morocco? And why you are looking at USA if you are trading in Morocco? Why you are looking at American stock market? If you have here, you have an account and you are trading or investing, yes, it's good that you follow. But for my strategies, I have a simple way to know. I don't waste my time months. But for me, each day I can check what's going on in the market and I can make an opinion. Okay? Thank you very much for the question. Robert said, Warren Buffett said, when people are greedy, I am scared. When people are scared, I am greedy. Yes, because this, what he said, because he is an investor. He doesn't go because of the trends in the market. He doesn't follow the trend. He follow the company if this company can become big. Understand that. So the way Warren Buffett in the 50s he began to buy stocks, it's not now. Where the stock market was very, very small. If you go to the Dow Jones and you go and search for Warren Buffett, when did he begin to buy stocks? You will see that he began early in the market, where Dow Jones was very, very small. So all his stocks that are good, he made billions of dollars because of that. Because he stayed from the 50s till now. Now I think he's 85 years. So from when he was 25 years or 23, he was buying stocks. So do not follow Warren Buffett, because what he did, you can never do, because he did it in the past. If you want to stay 20 years, 50 years, do like him now. But don't do like him in the past. If he asks you if he has bought, for example, he has bought Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola in the 50s, it was just few dollars. If you buy it now, it's not the same. So, do you understand that? Okay. Now, I hope, Robert, we have spoken about Warren Buffett. Listen, guys, those who want to know how Warren Buffett make too much money in less time, please go to my, I have made 5 or 6 videos about Warren Buffett. Put Warren Buffett, you find the series, how he made so much money. Okay? It's not, when you know how he made his money, you will understand why he has made better than other people. But this is no brainer. When you know the information, you can invest the same as Warren Buffett. And he explained this a lot. But the people, they think there is a magic formula. There is no magic formula. There is no magic formula. You should just, he said what he does. Okay? He said it. He said the secret. But people, I'm not going to tell you the secret. But the thing is, when someone tells you the secret, you don't believe. You don't believe in what he said because you think that he knows a magic formula that no one knows. Now, Warren Buffett, from where he gets his knowledge? It's just from the book of, I think this book he read in the 50s. The Intelligent Investor, I think. I don't know. I forgot the name of the guy who has made it. He just read one book and he applies what he said. So Warren Buffett, sometimes he speaks the truth. But people, they think that there is a hidden magic trick that he has known and no one knows, which is false. Warren Buffett has said it all his life, how he invests. And when people, they ask him, he say, he didn't say it directly, but sometimes he say directly without asking a question. And if you follow Warren Buffett in his speeches, you will know what is this thing. You will know. It's very easy thing. And for me, I let you search because I'm not going to give you this for free. You should search. You should spend some time doing your research, especially when it is investing. For me, in stocks, it doesn't take me 5 minutes or 10 minutes to decide which stock I buy. But if I want to buy an investment like a stock for investment for 10 years, 20 years, I will not spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I will spend days or weeks. You understand? Because you search, because this is for the whole life of your investment. You can just go buy any company because they say it's good. No, you should do your own homework. And this I have explained in some of my training, like training level 16, how to invest in dividend stocks. I spoke about investment. I make some ebooks, the new ebooks that I have made. If you can go to my page, you will find how to invest in stocks. Okay? I give you the criteria. I give you what you look for, what to do, how you invest. Okay? Now, let's go. Samuel Tiempo said, très bonne analyse, mon frère. Thank you very much, Samuel Tiempo. I don't know how to spell or to pronounce your name, but Samuel, thank you very much. Nasa, thank you very much for coming, and sorry for you and for all you guys who are following me, all you guys who are following me for many years or many months, and sorry, and I apologize for not coming that much because I have some problems with YouTube channel, I have some problems with business, so I was doing a lot of things on YouTube, a lot of things on my business. That's why I was so lazy to meet you guys. But I come back, and it will be a good thing on Saturday to hang out with you and to share information. And if you have something to share, just let me know. So Nasa said, dividend are for the rich people who want to pay less tax. Yes, listen to me. Nasa, I have spoken about this dividend in the beginning of of my life. If you were here, it's good. Maybe you have heard. Please, if you did not listen, I spoke about 10 or 15 minutes about dividend and investing and how to invest. Please, if you did not listen, tomorrow when the video is processed, go to the beginning, and whenever I begin to speak about dividend, stocks and investing, please watch that 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I give too much information. I will tell you that in short, it means in summary, what is about investing in dividend? Investing is about dividend. Okay? So, I give you an example. If you are a middle class, you are making 3 figures, as they say, or less. It means if you are making 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 100, 150, if you are making money, you can make a good portfolio when you are young. Do not wait until you are 50 or 60. And then you said, "Oh, now I begin." No, it doesn't work like this. How the investing works? It works when you are young. You put a portfolio and put it each month or each 6 months or each year. You put money and you continue putting all your life. You are making an investment for the long run. You are not trading. You buy and you sell, you buy and you sell. No, you are investing for the long run. You should make a goal. You say, for example, I will tell you something very important. A very example that shows you how much you should invest in order to make how much you make as an income from dividend. Okay? I give you this example. Let's say you have $10,000. In 1 year, they give you 5%. How much money you make? It's very easy. You make $500 for the year. The whole year, you invest $10,000, you make $500. Now here, I'm not expecting that the stock is doubling or you make 50% of price appreciation and the stocks go up. No. I mean if the stocks doesn't go up, how much you make? You make 5%, which is $500. Is $10,000 good for you? And you just put $10,000 and you sleep and you have a small job and you work and you say, "Oh, this $10,000 becomes 1 million in 1 year, in 10 years?" Or no. Sorry, you are mistaken and you don't know the market. 10,000 can't go to 1 million, except when it is a stock that it was $10 and it goes to 500 or 1,000. This is exceptional. Do not base your investing on one stock in the past. Like, for example, you say, "Oh, if you have bought Apple, it was $1. If you put 10,000, you are a millionaire." Yes, but man, I am living now. I didn't invest in Apple 20 years or 30 years ago when it began in the stock market. I didn't. So how you ask me to buy at 270? And some people bought it at $1. So be logical. You begin to invest now, so you think about now. Don't invest in the past. Don't tell me, "Oh, if I invested $10,000 in 1990 in Tesla, in Facebook, in let's say in Apple, in other stocks, in Google, now I will become a millionaire." No, you are not in the 90s and you are not in the beginning of 2000. Please be logical and be real and stop dreaming about the past or about the future. Be logical. This is the first thing I will tell you about anything in life. Be logical. Let's say a stock expects, for example, 10% each year. 5%, 20%, 50% in a stock. But don't expect a stock to go 500% because one stock has been $1 and now it is $10, and you have made 1,000%. This is exceptions. So, in order to be logical, don't base your investing or your trading on exceptions, because exceptions doesn't occur very, very often. And you can't, if by chance you buy a stock at $10, in 1 year it becomes $100. Yes, you are right. But this is an exception. And you cannot do in any stock that it is $10, it can go to 100 in 1 year. It can go to $12, $15. It can go down to $8, it's to $5. So be logical. Now, we have spoken about $10,000. Now, let's say you have $100,000 now. After 10 years of investing, you have now $100,000. What do you expect? If it is 5% dividend, so you expect $5,000 a year as profit. Now here I'm not speaking of this if the stocks go up like 10%, 20%. No, I'm not speaking about that, because that you don't know. So I'm speaking about something that you know, that it is logical to calculate. I'm not speaking also if your account has been going down like 90,000, 80,000. I don't speak about that. I'm speaking about the normal thing. Just to get an idea how your stocks will move. Okay? Just a normal way. Let's say you expect no increase in price, no decrease in price. 100,000 today, next year it is 100,000. Some stocks, for example, of your portfolio go up, some stocks you go down, so you don't make any money. But you make 5%. This is the most important thing. So you are making $5,000 a year. Is this what you are looking for in a retirement? Okay? Is this what you are looking for? If you say 5,000 a year, no. No, I am not expecting 5,000. So understand that 100,000 in investment, it is not what you are looking for. Now I ask you, what are you looking for? Are you looking, for example, for 50,000 a year? Like an income from dividend? Oh, you say 50,000 is good. I have social security income and I have 50,000. I will be like a king. I go everywhere in the world. I go everywhere in the world. I go to travel. I go to Philippines because it's cheap. I will be a king. I'll go to Morocco because it's very cheap. I buy a castle because there are some castles that are cheap. You can buy them. And I will be a king. I say, do you know how much you need? 5%, you have 50,000, you need $1 million. If you are a middle class, you make money, 100,000, 150. You can make it in 10 years, 15 years, you can make $1 million. Just invest so hard. Invest in the stock market because there is no investment in the world that gives you much money as the stock market. If you speak about gold and silver, bonds, all these are very, very inferior. If you want to see the difference, for example, go to history. They show you how much the stock market has gone in the beginning of 20th century. Try to see how much from 1 century, which is the first. You will find that the stock market, if you put your money in stocks, this is the best bet in history. This is history. It doesn't change. And the more you buy stocks, because bonds, They give you, for example, 5% to 10%. Let's say they give you 5% each year. But the problem is that the stock market can give you 20%, 30%, 50% a year. So people with stocks, they make 50% a year, and you are making 5%, and you say, no, I will stay with the less risk thing because I'm scared. Okay, so since you are scared, you will stay poor all your life. You will stay poor because in order to make money from bonds, it's like a dividend. You should buy 1 million bonds in order to have 5%. You will have 50,000 a year. Yes, it's good as a dividend. But the stock market can make price appreciation. What does it mean? It means you have $1 million. Let's say this year the stock market is good. How much you will make? You don't make only 5%, which is 50,000. You can make more dividend because your account has been going from, for example, 1 million. Let's say, just give you an example, a simple example. Let's say in 1 year, you double your money because the whole market has been so good in this year. Just an example, okay? Let's say it doubled. Let's say Dow Jones goes from 15,000 and then it goes to 30,000. It doubled. And you are investing in Dow Jones stocks. Okay? So do you understand what does it mean? From 1 million you get $2 million in your account? How much you make in dividend? You are not making 50,000, but you will be making $100,000. But in bonds, if you have 1 million, you will only make 5%, which is 50,000. You are not going to double your money from bonds. Do you understand? This is a very, very important lesson I'm giving to you. If you need more information, you can go to my training about investing in dividend, which is called Training Level 16. And I will give you a discount. Don't worry. Just send me what you are looking for. I will give you a discount. It says how to invest in dividend stocks. And I have made a new ebook speaking about how to invest in stocks. I give the ways how to do it. Okay? If you are interested, go to my website and check it, or send me an email. I will send you the link and I will send you the discount. Okay? Now, we are now at 1 hour 28 minutes. Okay? So let's continue. Thank you very much, NASA. I hope my information that I give you, I know you know a lot because I have spoken a lot, but it's better to know more. If you have a very critical question and you don't answer, guys, why I am here? I am here to help you, okay, and to give you clear idea what are the real things. I don't sell dreams. If I sell dreams, my channel will be 1 million subscriber, and the people who steal dreams, okay, come to me, guys. Bring $100, I will make it 100,000. This is, I see someone has hundreds of followers because he say this. Okay? You know, people lie in order to get money to sell. It's too bad. It's too bad. They are not real with the word. They are not real. And that's why I don't like to do like them. For me, if I have 10 people following me in my channel, at least they know the truth. It is better than 1 million subscriber who are following their dreams of They want, or they are always gambling. These are mostly these people are gamblers. They always buy the lottery tickets in order to one day they make $100 million in their pocket. So for me, I am not into gambling. Stock market, investing, trading is a real business. You can make money if you understand. So you understand? So it's real. Warren Buffett has made thousands of billions of dollars, him with his friends. He's not just playing. He knows what he's doing. And you say, how a guy like you, for example, I will give you an example. Some people who are watching me here or there, you are making more than Warren Buffett when he just graduated. He has a job. You will be making more than him. But are you going to do the same as he does in order to make money? Or are you going to buy lottery tickets in order to one day hit the jackpot? Are you a gambler or are you an investor? Even gamblers, there are some who are professional. Those, they study gambling scientifically and they can make money from gambling. I will tell you a story that I had read about one. He is a big gambler in the history of USA. I will tell you just a story to understand why some professional gamblers, they make money. And you say, how do they make money? It's just gambling. They don't know. No, they know the system. If you know the system, how the stock market works, you will make money because you know. That's why I teach people. I teach you to know the system. When you know the system, you can make money. When you don't know, you will be trying all your life. So what did this guy do in this example? Do you know this game, gambling game, when there is the roulette? It's a round thing. I know most of you knows, but those who don't know, it's just a round thing. We have numbers, and we have an axe, a small axe like this, and you turn this wheel like this, or this roulette. If it stops in the number that you bet on, you will make money. So, how this guy has made millions of dollars until they take him out? This guy is so professional that he goes to many casinos and he make a lot of money, and they know he hack their system. Now, I will give you this trick that he has done. But this, you can do it if you are professional and you want to be professional and you follow professional people. For me, I don't do it and I will not do it because I am not interested. But for you guys who are interested, I give you a lead. It means I give you a way to see things. Now, what did this guy do? What is his bet? It is $1. For example, you find many numbers. You go stay in the table, this roulette. What do? You just put $1. You put $1, and you hit the thing, this machine. Either you press a button, things will be turning, and then it stops on one number. Most of the time, let's say $1, you can make $10,000. Now it's a big. $1, you can make $10,000. So it's a big thing, right? But understand that when you play 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 100 times, and you don't hit it. So what does it mean? People, they when they begin to lose a lot of money, $50, $100, then they stop because they can't hit the jackpot, which is I'm speaking about simple things, $10,000. I'm not speaking about millions of dollars. No, this is just roulette. Roulette, you find it in casinos. If you go to a casino, I have never gone to a casino, but if you have gone to a casino, you find this roulette machine. It's very simple, and you can find it even in stores. Now, if I ask you the question, what did this guy do in order to make money in each casino he goes? So here is the trick. When he began to put each dollar, he has a notebook, and he put the number. Whenever he hit, he tries to see what is the number that the machine gives him. After 500 tries, if it means he lost 500, he can lose even $1,000. Okay? After he lost $1,000, it means he has played 1,000 times. It could be 500, it could be 700, it could be 1,000. Now, what do you think he's doing? You said this guy is crazy. Why he makes he lost 1,000? Even if he continue 2,000, 6,000, 100,000, he will not make it. It's rare. That's why it is a casino. Casino, it means you bet and they take your money. It's exceptional that you make money. This is how they make their money. It is based on probabilities in math. Understand that these people who make casinos, they hire professor in math. They give them a formula that you can't break. You need to do thousands of times in order to hack their system. They know it. That's why people, when they go, for example, in Las Vegas, they want to do casinos. Those people take thousands of dollars. They just play, and they know beforehand that they are not making. They are not going to make money, but they are hopeful if they can make money. So they spend all their money and they have fun. They drink, and then they go home the next day. Okay, but this professional, what does he do? He is not like the other amateur people. Now, he has a notebook. He tries 1,000 times. Now, why he is doing that? Why he lost $1,000? Because each try is $1. You think he's crazy, or he's an idiot, or he's a stupid person. You think that because the system is bigger than him. Now, what does he do? He has a notebook and he writes what are the numbers that come many times. Let's say the system shows him in 1,000 tries, there are 5 numbers that come each time, 5 times in this 1,000. So since he is writing what are these numbers according to their occurrence, what they do after 1,000? He do just 5 numbers. Each time he do a number, and he begin to continue like that, and then one time, boom, he hit $10,000, and then he tries again. Few minutes, boom, he hit the second 10,000, and like this. Now, what is the secret? If you ask yourself, what is the secret? How he finds out that these numbers are the numbers that you should bet on? Why? It doesn't mean that he put the number, he get the thing. No. But since it's probabilities, he has 5 numbers or 10 numbers. Now, for you guys, this guy knows that these 5 numbers or 10 numbers, so it is not hundreds of thousands of numbers that you are betting against. You are now betting only on 5 numbers. So it could be 1 try, 5 tries, 1 try, you succeed. You make 10,000. Even if you, for example, you do $5, 5 tries, and you make 10,000, you are excellent. But how he finds how he found that only 5 numbers are occurring a lot. Why? Do you understand why? I don't think. I will ask you questions, guys. Let me see. Listen, guys, it's 1:40. I want just to ask you a question. I have explained a lot, but the last thing I want to tell you, can someone know, because of my explanation, can someone know how this guy make a lot of money from casino the way I stated? What is the secret? If you tell me the secret, it means that you are a good guy in gambling, and you can make money if you follow this thing. So can you tell me, guys? I will wait 1 second or two. No, brother love. No, I just give you some seconds, please. Does someone know the secret? I will tell you the secret. Don't worry. I will tell you it right now. But I'm waiting for you. If someone knows the secret, as I have explained, you tell me the secret. Why? So I will be waiting for you guys. Just someone who writes something. I will be waiting for your comment. If you I will stay a few seconds. If you don't give me any and you don't know, or you are not, don't be ashamed to be gamblers in buying stock. Brother Love said to me, tell the secrets. No, I'm telling you. Just give me a hint. Give me something that you're telling. I have explained you everything. The only thing I haven't explained is the secret. So can you guys, Brother Love, do you have anything that comes in mind? There is no secret. No, there is. He finds a hack to the system. NASA. No, there is a secret. I will tell you the secret right now, but just think with me. Just think. Think about this. He had inside info? No. I told you he was writing the numbers. So if he has an inside info, he can't have this information because that guy will be killed by the casino. Are you going to know something secret of the casino and you give this secret to someone else? They kill you. No, it's not inside info. Inside info was about before. It was about stocks. Mutual fund? No. We are speaking about gambling. NASA. Focus with me. We are speaking about the story that I told you about a gambler, professional gambler. He make millions of dollars using his trick, and then they chase him and they don't let him enter because he hacked something of their system. Big hands move the market? No, I'm not speaking about stock market. NASA. I'm speaking about casino. I'm not speaking about stock market. So I will give you just a few seconds. If you don't give me the answer, I will give you the answer. He finds the most frequent player number. Yes. Now this what you said. Duna said he finds the most frequently played number. Yes, I know. But what is the trick? What is the trick? He counted cards. No, this is not cards. This is just you put $1 and then you push the button, or you push a stick down or something. It's not cards. NASA said okay. So I will tell you now the secret. The secret is the machine that makes, because it is mechanic machine, after many years they use it, it will have a deficiency in how it works. So it gives more numbers, few numbers more it means it's not working good. The machine, although it turns, but it stops in some numbers because of the machine, which is not good. It should be replaced. But the guys in the casino, they don't know. They know the trick. After 2 years or 5 years, they should change the machine because it is not working good. But sometimes they don't know, or the casino don't know and forget to change it. So this guy, he is doing 1,000 tries. It means if you see him like a fool. He comes the whole night doing $1, push, $1, push, $1, push. But he is writing numbers on his notebook. Okay? No, they don't got. Listen, brother love, let me explain this secret, and then you say they got locked. No, yes, they got locked later because they hacked their system. They take him out, but they can't take his money because he won it. He won his money. There is no trick in the cards. He doesn't use cards. It's the machine who is deficient. So they bought the same machine and reverse engineers. No. They should change the machine to a new one because all the old ones are not anymore good. So this guy knows the numbers because of the deficiency in the machine. That is the secret. Now, if someone is a professional in this game, he will do the same and he will discover old machines and he will make money. Okay, let's stop here. We are 1 hour 46 minutes. I was speaking for nearly 1 hour 45 minutes. So please, I will see if there is no question because we are going to stop to finish this session. Jocelyn Coty, he said, can you give us a glimpse about swing trading? Okay, Jocelyn, I think you are new here, which is very good. Swing trading, what is it? I will show you the difference between swing trading and day trading. At least you will understand the difference. In day trading, you work in the day. The stock market opens, you buy, and then after 10 minutes or 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, during the day, you can buy and sell. This is called a day trader. When you buy and you let it for the night to the next day, it means 2 days. This is called swing trader. Now, and what is the aim? Why people hold the stock for the next day or for next week? Why? Because they follow the trend. It means when the stock is moving for a long time. It could be 1 week, 2 weeks, 5 weeks, 10 months. It could be many months. I showed you many times Apple, Facebook, Twitter, when it is moving 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, and they are moving. Now, Jocelyn, if you are interested to see 5 months, I have stayed with 1 month, with one stock 1 month, and I begin each week making a true live video for 5 months. You can see my training, which is number 20. It's called My Live Trades. You can check it on my website. If you don't, send me an email. My email is in the description. Send me an email and I will send you the link. You will see my trades each week for 5 months. I make 5 trades. One is 1 month, one is 2 months, one is 3 months, and one is 5 months. Okay? Now, it means you follow the stock for a long time, but you should never go over 1 year. Because when you go over 1 year, you become an investor. Investor is for many years, 10 years, 20 years, or the whole life. Like Warren Buffett. He bought Coca-Cola and he is in the 50s, 60s, and now he is with them. So, he bought Geico, for example. The whole company, he bought it. Not just a few shares. No, he bought all Geico. He bought it. So, let's say Geico is $5. Now it is $100. So all this money is his. You see that? So understand swing trading, it is just to buy and hold for weeks, for days, weeks, or months. That is what we call swing trading. And this is what I teach. If you want to get subscribed, please guys, I will give you now, I will give you my website. You can go to it and you can try 1 month if you want. You can try 1 month. Okay. So let's see. I send you my website, Djellala.net subscription. And you click that and you go to my website and you check the subscriptions. We have 3 subscriptions. And you just choose one. You see what I offer. If you have question, please don't subscribe. If you have question, read all the information and send me an email. If you are interested only in the training, not subscription, send me an email and I will give you everything. Okay? Now, let's continue very quick. We have 9 minutes. I should go very quick with you guys because I don't want to... Okay, let's see the other questions. Josie said, how much time you spend a day? I don't spend any time. When I want to buy a stock, it takes me 5 minutes or 10 minutes to search the market and to buy. At the end of the day, I buy. If I want to check, I check daily. Just look for 1 minute. What's going on to my stocks? That's it. It's not day trading. You should look for your trade. No, I don't see each minute or each 10 minutes. I see by the day what happened the day, and I see. If it is good, I continue and I follow the trend. You understand? I follow the trend. It could take 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 8 months. I'm not following one 10 minutes like day trader. I'm not a day trader. So you said, because I don't have time during the day. Yes, you can buy a stock. You can search at night and put a buy. Buy. It means a stop buy. In the morning, you at night, you go to your account and you put a buy to buy the stock tomorrow in the morning at 9:30. Or you can buy it in the early morning, but this is not good for you. So your account will be buying the stock at 9:30 when the stock market opens. Yes, if you don't have time, you should do it at night or in the afternoon or so. So you don't need really to be the market, like at the end of the market, because we will buy at the end of the market. You can buy in the morning also, no problem. Next morning, yes. Nasser said to Jocelyn, it does not take a lot of time because you buy at the end of the day between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Yes, and you can you can buy in the morning. Brother Love, what do you do for a job, Mr. Djellala? First, my name is not Djellala. Djellala is a Moroccan cloth or North African cloth. It's not my name. Djellala is my business name. My name is Abdelkarim Ramain. You can go to Facebook. You can go to Facebook and add me as a friend if you want, or go to my Facebook page and you see me. Okay, search. Now, you said, what do you do as a job, Mr. Djellala? First, Djellala.net is my business. For me, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. What do I do as a job? I teach, I train traders and investors, and I have my own account since 2010. I'm trading and I'm investing. So this is what I do for life. I don't have a job outside. Okay? So you understand that? Thank you. You need a lot of money compared to trading. GGXG, he said you need a lot of money to invest. But understand, you can begin trading with any money. But in investing, you should invest with the money that you have, because this takes 10 years, 20 years, 30 years until retirement. You should have a goal for investment. You should have a goal. How much money should I have in the account after 40 years? Now, I don't say that you know the future, but you make a plan. Even if you die and you just make 20 years, all this money goes to your wife and your kids. So it will not go to the government. So it goes to your kids. So your kids is you in another way. So you should think about a goal the whole life. Okay? Then investing is a habit. You should do it each month or each paycheck. Like when you do 401k, it's the same. You should put money each month or each 2 months or each year. You should put money. It's not you have $1,000 and you invest in some stocks and you sleep for 60 years and you come back and you say, how much money I make in this investment. This is not true. You don't understand. That's why, guys, what did I tell you? I have made training level 16 called How to Invest in Dividend Stocks. And I have a new ebook. Please go to my website to check them or send me an email. I will send you the link and you order them and you study. Then when you have a question, just ask me. I will give you the basics that you should think about in order to be an investor. Investor, it's not you are rich at the beginning. At the beginning, you are like everybody else. I will tell you an example. Let's say you put 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 a year in an account. Someone else, he doesn't do the same as you. Now, when you reach 60, let's say you are 25 years old. When you are 60, who will have money? The person who invested 2,000 or 5,000 a year, he will be making a lot of money and he has a lot of dividend and he has a big money, or the guy who has not invested, he thinks that he is smart. You will understand, you calculate it by numbers. Just put two guys, one invested and one he doesn't invest. Who will be better? This is a no-brainer. This is a very simple thing. But you should understand the steps, the goal. What is your goal? How much money you want to make? So you work on that thing. If you want big money and you are having a good job, you should invest when you are young a lot. Invest in stocks, not in gold and silver and bonds and no. Stocks and not mutual funds and what you call the other kind, ETFs. No. If you want to be making less money, yes, you can do mutual funds like 401k or ETFs, yes. But stocks give more than mutual funds when they are alone. Because mutual fund, what is it? Mutual fund is a collection of stocks. Some they are doing good, some doing bad. So you get the average. So you are not getting a lot. So let's go back. You need to do trading with small capital to grow it quick. No. It's not small or big. If you have 100,000, it's better than you have 10,000. Understand that when you have your capital is big, you can trade big. You can buy any stock. Now, if you have $5,000, are you going to buy Google? Are you going to buy Apple, Tesla? Are you going to buy those? Or Amazon? Are you going to buy a stock with $2,000 and you have only $5,000 in your account? You are going to buy penny stocks that are that are so dangerous. If you don't know how to hold risk, how to control risk, you will lose all your money trying. So be careful. Brother in love said the ebook. Please, brother in love, you find my email in the description. Please send me an email. I will and ask me questions about the links. I will send it to you. Okay? So I have the website. You can go to the website. If you don't find anything, send me. I can make I can make my email for you guys to so it is istockmoney@yahoo.com. So I just give it. Big hands move the market. If I smooth frequent player number. Okay, let's see here. Those guys got the same machine. We have the last question is from Ramin Alazov. Should small accounts start with option trading? What is bad thing about option other than liquidity? Now, Ramin Alazov, sorry if I don't pronounce your name. Your name looks like you are from East Europe, if I am not wrong. East Europe, maybe from what is it called? Russia or Ukraine or another thing. Help me know what's your country, Ramin Alazov? Which country are you from? Are you from Ukraine? Most of these names are looking for what we call East of Europe. Okay, I will explain to you what's the difference. It's about risk. I will give you something that you should remember about options that you will never forget. Azerbaijan, yes, you are near Russia. Yes, you are from East Europe. Yeah, in Asia, it's good. You are in Asia. I know where it is. So thank you very much for watching from that area. I know it's cold there. I think it's snowing there or something like that. Okay. I will explain to you something that you will never ask someone else. First, I have training about options. It's training level 14. How to buy and sell, what do you call, call and put options. I have a training. If in the future it's by videos and by ebook, if you want just to get clear ideas about this, you send me an email or you go to my website and you buy it, and I have a discount for you. Okay, so this is something. Now I will tell you, options is very dangerous. If you are a new trader, avoid options because they are leveraged vehicle. Leveraged, what does it mean? It means a small money you control big money. Now, if you tell yourself why you buy Facebook is 200 and let's say a stock is $200. In order to buy 100 shares, you need 20,000 in order to buy a stock that it is $200. Let's say make it easy. Let's say make it easy for you. Let's say it is $100 only. The stock is $100. If you want to buy 100 shares, you spend $10,000. Okay? That's good. Now, if you want to buy an option about that stock, XYZ for example, you will buy 100 shares with 1,000. Now, why do you buy 100 shares in option with 1,000 and the stock is $10,000 in shares? What is the trick Is the stock market stupid? Is it stupid? Something is $100,000. Is $10,000, 100 shares. He will sell it for you with 1,000. Is the stock market stupid? Are they stupid? No. Because 1,000, you are making a risk in the whole 1,000. If the stock market goes $2 or $3 or $5, you will lose all your money. Most of your money you lose. That's why it is so dangerous. You can put $10,000 on this stock and you think that the stock will double. You will make $10,000 in one day. But if the stock goes down $5 or $6, what will happen to you? You will lose almost all your money, and then from $10,000 that you bought this options, you buy a lot of contracts. You buy, for example, 10,000. The next day, you find that you have $200. What do you do then? Your money is gone. That's why. Here is my suggestion. If you are new, do not play with options. Yes, you can. If you follow my strategies, you can do options, but still, options, you risk all your money when you buy. Now, for stock market, if you buy a stock, it is $100. Let's say it goes to $95 after a few days. How much you lose? You lose $500. You can put stop loss to exit at any percentage. For example, you say, I buy the stock at $100. If the stock goes $2 down, I will sell it. So what is your risk? It's $200. That's good. But what if you buy $1,000, you buy option? What if these $2, you are not going to lose $200 only. You might lose $500, $700. That's why options are very, very dangerous for people, students or traders who are new. You should be an advanced trader. You make success in the stocks and then you go to options. Do not follow these people. They say they make millions of dollars because they know options. Do not follow these people. These people are most of the time, they are hedge funds. They don't care about the money. They can bet on something. If they succeed, they make a lot of money. But if they don't succeed, it is not their money. It is not their money. Even if they lose all their money, it's not theirs. They are still get paid. These mutual fund managers. That's why it is a job without risk. But if you put money yourself, you will be at risk. Duna said, options are difficult to close. No, you can close it at any time. Let's say you buy $1,000 options. Let's say next day it's going down too much. It's 800, 700. You can just exit. Put your market order and sell it. There is no problem with selling. The problem is when there is news. That is the big problem. For example, you bought before the earning news. You think that the stock will gap up. You put $5,000. Now the stock doesn't gap up, it gap down. What does it mean? You lose this $5,000. So this is why I told you guys, if you are new, if you don't make money in stocks, how can you go to something which is more difficult, which is more risky? So options, currency pairs, and futures. Stay away from these vehicles. They are too much dangerous for you guys. If you are excellent in stocks, you can make money by day trading or by swing trading. You can go to options, you can go to futures, you can go to currency pairs. Okay? So guys, now it is 2 hours, 9 minutes. I get tired. Normally it is 2 hours. I can't move more. So guys, how Hamad Amina said options are appealing to people with small money, but the odds of success are against them. Yes, because understand that when you risk the whole money in stocks. You can specify how much money you lose, like per percentage. As I give you an example. For example, you say I risk 2%. A stock is $100. If it is $98, you will sell. And the market, you will sell, so you lose only $200. But in options, it is too difficult, and you can lose more than you expect, especially in news. Okay? So guys, thank you very much for watching, and it is 2 hours 10 minutes. Please, we will do the same next week on next week on Saturday. If there is a change, I will announce that. So please, thank you very much for watching. I have made a new discount in my subscriptions. So please, guys, before I leave, you can click that. You can click on my subscription. We have 3. I made them very cheap, so it's your time before I change them in the beginning of the year. So please, just to try one time. If it's good for you, you stay. If it's not, you just because I do the search, and we have a waiting list. I will tell you when to buy this kind of stocks. Some people suggest stocks. I will show you to them. I can give you information when I change my portfolio. We have an investing portfolio that we invest in golden subscription. You will see my investment, and you will follow me if you want. So there are a lot of things you can do. So please click on the link, go to the subscription and try. If you don't want to, yes, no problem. Just follow me, continue to watch, and if you have questions, send me emails or send me. Sometimes when you put in comment section, sometimes the YouTube doesn't give me the comment on time. So please, if you have a direct question, send me an email. The email, or go to my profile by my name. I just put it here, Abdelkarim Amin. Go to my profile and add me as a friend and ask me the question in Messenger. It's very easy, okay? When you ask me a question, I will answer you whenever I see the Messenger notification. I will answer you, and it will be very easy. Because I know a lot of people, they have questions, but they don't answer. So how can you learn faster if you don't ask questions? Okay? So thank you very much, guys. See you next week. As I told you, any question, send me your questions by email, or go to Facebook, search for my name, Abdelkarim Ramain, or for my page. Or if you want my page, just go to my website and click Facebook button, and you go to my thing, and send me a message, and I will be happy to answer you. So thank you very much, guys, and hope everything is all right. Thank you.